Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick instructional video that goes over the pre-writing strategy of mind mapping. As I mentioned in today's lesson, your first essay is going to be about writing a problem that you experience or that you see in anything large or small around you. And I'd ask you to do a pre-writing assignment. I gave you an example of how to do a free write. I showed you an example of how to do a mind map, but now I'm going to actually demonstrate how you might do that. So let's say the problem that you choose to write about is racism. I would just write that right in the middle of the page, racism, and put a circle around it, and then just kind of branch off the circle anything that comes to mind when you think of racism. So like, for example, violence. You could do maybe disenfranchisement. Sorry for the phone. Sorry about that. Okay, maybe say like lack of opportunity. And all these things that kind of branch off the main subject of your essay, which is racism in this case, can be topics that are elaborated on in their own body paragraphs, right? So I think you get the idea. Just kind of start with the subject in the middle of the page, and just think of any topic that can be related to that subject as a branch. And that's one way of getting some ideas going in terms of writing your essay. And you can even make branches off the branch. So let's say, like violence related to racism might make me think of a specific example, like, George Floyd, for example, right? And then George Floyd might become a specific piece of evidence that I use in a body paragraph about violence. So take and do with this what you will. I hope it was helpful. But that's just, me going through the process of doing a mind map, which again is a pre-writing strategy that could help you get ideas down on the page of things that you might want to write about for your essay. So as always, let me know if you have any questions. And again, you don't have to do your pre-writing like this if you don't want to. Maybe your free write works better for you. But hopefully this was helpful for those who thought a mind map might be useful to them. All right, take care, everyone. And again, reach out if you have any questions. Cheers.